Hey everyone, my name is Dani Smith and I'm an art instructor at Crystal Bridges Museum of American Art.
Today I will be showing you how to make your very own line drawings inspired by wall drawing number 880 Loopy Doopy by Sol LeWitt. The items you will need to make your own colorful line artwork are in your My Museum kit.
You can pause this video or scroll back to any step if you need to.
The materials you will need for this project are 2 pencils, 1 rubber band,
Some oil pastels,
and some white paper. You will also need a color wheel.
To begin your project, grab the pencils and the rubber band from your box. You'll use the rubber band and put your pencils together. Make sure the pencils are even. By putting your pencils together like this, you are creating a unique technique that helps you to create 2 of the same lines. Remember, continue to make sure it's even. Before you start to draw, think about the lines you want to create. Sol LeWitt's lines were wavy and loopy-doopy, but you can create any type of line you want, such as zigzag, curvy, straight, or you can do a combination of a few. It's up to you. Take a moment to practice your lines and see what you like. Begin to draw your lines. Cover your entire page. Do you see how the pencils create 2 of the same lines when they're put together? It's pretty cool, isn't it? Now it's time to think about the colors, or hues, you're going to be using. A color wheel will help you decide which colors look nice next to each other. I will be using complementary colors on the color wheel. This means that the colors are opposite to each other, such as red and green. But you can use analogous colors, or colors that are next to each other, such as blue and purple. Warm and cool colors are another option too. Warm colors consist of red, orange, and yellow, while cool colors consist of blue, purple, or green. The choice is up to you. Once you have decided on your hues or colors, begin to color your drawing. Make sure to color your whole page to make it pop and really stand out. With oil pastels, you can use your fingers to blend the colors if you'd like. It makes it for a smoother texture. Once you're done, admire your finished product.
When you're done, make sure to clean up your mess and put away all of your unused supplies. Thanks for making art with us today, and we'll see you next time.
With an adult's permission, take a photo or 2 of your completed art project and post it on social media with the hashtag MyMuseumKit. Enjoy exploring!